In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete comments on TikTok. But before I begin, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can delete comments on TikTok. Let's go! Alright, first of all, open up your TikTok app, then click on your profile, alright, at the bottom right. Then you just pick any post that you want to delete the comments. So for example, the first one. So how I'm going to delete this, so you can see I got 161 comments. Some of the comments are spam comments. So just click on that. Okay, so you can just find which one that you don't like. Okay, like this one, hack cyber help me. This is definitely a spam message. So you just have to hold it for a while and then you click delete. Okay, or if you want to manage multiple comments, just click on that and then you can choose how many you want to delete. Okay, also you can click on the, I don't know what icon is this, beside the X icon. So you click on that. You can see the top, newest, or manage comments. So for example, I want to delete this. You can find other thing that you want to delete. I think the rest are all good. Okay, this one, all the hackers. Alright, so I want to delete them. Delete. This one, all are hackers. Okay, so many. Okay, anyway, so just find whatever you want to delete. Then just click delete 17. Delete comments. And then they're deleted. So once they're deleted, it's gone. Okay, done. Oh, so many more. I can delete them later. So yeah, so that's how you can delete comments in TikTok. So you can delete one by just holding it, or you can delete many by just clicking at the icon beside the X icon. Alright, they can have manage comments and many other comments they can delete one shot. So yeah, I hope this is helpful for you. This is how you can delete comments on TikTok. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.